On behalf of United Airlines and our Star Alliance partners, welcome to Mumbai, India. For your continued safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to complete stop at Terminal Gate. The captain will indicate this by turning off the passenger seatbelt sign. The flight attendants will indicate it by turning on the cabin lights. So at that time, we'd like you to check around your seating area and the overhead compartments. Riders were on board with you, but just use caution while opening the overhead compartments. Riders do shift around during the flight. There'll be a Mumbai gate agent here meeting the flight, and if you have connecting flights or any questions, please direct those to the agent meeting the flight. I'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We do appreciate your business. Have a pleasant stay here in the Mumbai area, or safe and pleasant journey to your final destination later this evening. Come back to see us again on another flight on United and our Star Alliance partners whenever travel plans permit. Thank you.